and I'm wearing it on a regular basis. I mean, it sounds crazy, right? But yeah, it's true, and I'm damn sure that you're not going to guess the right price unless and until I tell you the right price. Hey guys, it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, I'm Meera Kanaria and I make a fashion videos every week on YouTube. So do consider subscribing to this channel. And today in this video, you are going to see the cheapest clothes of my wardrobe with price tag. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Before showing you what I got from the flea market, let's rewind the tape. Okay, so the most of you who don't know, let me tell you that I live in Rajkot, which is in Gujarat. So basically here in my city there takes a flea market which is also known as Shaniwari in local language, which takes place on Shanivar, that is on Saturday. So in this flea market you would find a variety of vendors coming together at one place and selling a lot of things like bed sheets, bed covers, jackets, jeans, t-shirts and electronic gadgets, plus a lot many other things as well. So I visit there with my mom. Since last 1 year I haven't visited over there due to COVID, but recently last week I and my mom went over there and we found a lot of good pieces of clothes that I am damn sure you are not going to get that piece of clothes for that amount of money. Plus, I am even going to show you guys the collection that I got previous year. So here it is. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is my 10 rupee t-shirt. This is the t-shirt that I got for only 10 rupees. I mean, sounds crazy, right? But here is that t-shirt. I can wear this t-shirt as a night dress or as you can say loungewear, but I just love this t-shirt. The material of this t-shirt is also good one like other t-shirts which you get from the brands. Actually this is of brand called Editions. I don't know which brand is this, but I just love this t-shirt. Next one is this hoodie, yellow hoodie. Yellow is my favorite color. So basically this hoodie I got for, I'm going to tell you the price in the end. So this hoodie is of a brand called Human United Movement. I don't know which brand is this, but the quality of the hoodie is the best. The stretchable material of this hoodie is also so cool, plus the hoodie itself and the string as well. I got this hoodie for only 50 rupees. Okay, so here's the another hoodie that I got. This is little bit oversized hoodie. So basically this is not a plain hoodie. It has this print on the back and even it has this logo in the front. Ew, it's of hands. Oh shit. I got this hoodie for only 50 rupees. Again, this is crazy. I mean, I am so proud of my mom. She thrifted this hoodie for only 50 rupees. Before I show you the next item that I got from the flea market, just take your seat because I'm damn sure that you are not going to get this piece of clothes for the amount that I'm going to tell you. Dun-dun-dun! I got this beautiful jumper. I mean, look at this. It's so cool. It's a puff jacket which is of brand the original Arizona Jean Company. I don't know which company is this, but I love this jumper a lot. Plus the animal print over it. So cool. The best puff jacket that I ever got. And guess the price. It's of only 150 rupees. So crazy. I just love this jumper. It's super cool and I got it for only 150 rupees. That's crazy. The next one is even crazier than the previous one that you have seen. I mean, yes, it's true because I thrifted this frock. I know it looks so crazy. It has this box chain which can hide everything and it's so cool. It's pleated frock that I got for, wait, hold on. Let me show you the prints first. It has 3/4 sleeves plus pleated waist which ends below my knee section. So it's amazing. And guess the price. I got this frock for 100 rupees. I'm not joking. Yes, it's true. I got this for only 100 rupees. It's crazy. Seen till now are thrifted this week, previous week on Saturday. Now I'm going to show you my previous collection which I already had. So the first one is this velvet t-shirt. I love this t-shirt because it is so soft and I have worn this t-shirt almost for 2 years and अभी भी वो वैसे का वैसा ही है. I don't know the brand. It's called Buffalo David Edition. I got this t-shirt for only 20 rupees from the flea market. And yes, another velvet t-shirt like this I got was this one. Okay, so if you are new here, then you might not have seen the video called crop tops. If not, then I will be linking up here. You can check it out. So in that video, I cropped this t-shirt, but this t-shirt previously was of full sleeve plus it was of longer length than it is now. And even this t-shirt, I got it for 20 rupees. Okay, so the next one is this jacket. I'm definitely sure that you have seen this in my most of the videos. So even this jacket I thrifted from the flea market, and this mirror work I did by myself. So if you are new here and you haven't seen that video, don't worry. I will be linking up here. You can check that out. Yes, even this jacket I got it for 200 rupees. I got this denim jacket for 200 rupees almost, 4 years ago. I got this jacket and it still fits me like that. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from me. Plus, if you guys want me to do more of a cheapest clothes collection videos, then do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah,